In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? And last on my list, I know the list, is weapons. You know, interestingly, US does not import a lot of weapons. US does not depend on other countries for its firearms. US does not depend. In fact, the least import item of US is weapons. For some countries, weapons constitute a major import of those countries. But for the US, import of arms and ammunition for the US is very low, is the least, and is 4.53 billion. So the question is, what kind of arm does US import? US import handguns. I'm sure these are for civilians. The guns, I mean, probably causing all the issues in the US. And guns, like pistols and guns. 22.9% of the 4.53 billion. US also imports some explosive ammunitions. 29.5%. Explosive ammunition. US imports some explosive ammunition. 29.5%. Then US imports firearms. Firearms, different firearms. 20.9%. Weapon part and accessories. So different part of weapons and accessories. 19.2%. Spring, air, and gas gun. Spring gun, air gun, gas gun, 5.8%. And then military weapons, 1.03%. It's interesting to see because US actually produce a lot of military weapons for a lot of other countries in the world. So the import, I'm sure a lot of these are not the one military they produce for military purpose in the US, maybe the one that people import for their use, for hunting and the like, or the one that people, of course, because people use a gun in the US, and of course, allowing it to be being used for a lot of gun violence within the US market. Thank you very much for this session. The next I'll be moving on to is China, because in this series I'll be going from the top to the least. This is the last. If you are seeing this video, if the last one you are seeing, if this is the video you are seeing on what US import, please note that this is the last, and there are about 20 of them. We've done firearms, we've done paintings, we've done oil and animal-based oil trunk, leather product, we've done glass and stone product, we've done paper product, we've done wood product, we've done leather, foot and headwear, we've done animal product, we've done vegetable product, we've done precious metals, we've done foodstuffs, we've done instruments, we've done miscellaneous product, we've done plastic and rubber product, we've done wares, clothing, and we've done metal product, and then chemical product, and of course minerals, and then cars, and then manufacturing or machine equipment. Thank you very much, and see you as we commence China very soon.